Lamborghini. It isn't just a car, it's a dream on four wheels, crafted with precision, innovation, and an unrelenting drive for perfection. In today's video, we're taking you inside the Lamborghini factory, a place where cutting-edge technology meets old-world craftsmanship. From concept to ignition, we'll uncover the secrets behind the making of these high-performance masterpieces. Our journey begins at the birthplace of Lamborghini, the state-of-the-art production facility in Sant'Agata Bolognese, Italy. This isn't just a factory, it's a sanctuary of innovation, combining traditional craftsmanship with advanced technologies to create automotive icons. In 1963, Ferruccio Lamborghini set out to create the ultimate sports car, one that would rival Ferrari and redefine automotive excellence. From its first model, the 350 GT, to modern icons like the Aventador and Huracán, Lamborghini has remained synonymous with pushing boundaries. This ethos of innovation and rebellion is embedded in every car the company produces today. Unlike mass-produced vehicles, every Lamborghini is a labor of love. The process starts with one of the most crucial aspects of any car, the chassis. The backbone of every Lamborghini is its chassis, a structure designed to be both incredibly light and exceptionally strong. Lamborghini uses a combination of lightweight materials like aluminum and carbon fiber to construct the chassis. The flagship models, the Aventador and Revuelto, feature a monocoque carbon fiber structure. This material isn't just about weight reduction, it's about rigidity and safety. While robots handle tasks requiring millimeter-perfect accuracy, human hands ensure that every detail is inspected for flaws. Lamborghini's commitment to blending machine efficiency with human touch is evident in every step. Combining robotics for accuracy and skilled artisans for detail ensures that each chassis meets Lamborghini's exacting standards. This delicate balance of human touch and advanced machinery is a hallmark of their production process. Next comes the soul of every Lamborghini, its engine. A masterpiece of engineering that delivers unmatched performance and a symphony of sound. Whether it's the naturally aspirated V12 in the Aventador or the V10 in the Huracán, each engine is built with unparalleled precision. Each engine is handcrafted and individually tested, ensuring it meets Lamborghini's uncompromising performance standards. A single engine can take up to 20 hours to assemble, with specialists ensuring everything is tuned to perfection. Precision is everything. There's no room for error when you're creating an engine capable of delivering over 700 horsepower. Before an engine makes its way into a car, it's put through rigorous testing. These power plants are subjected to extreme conditions to simulate real-world stresses, guaranteeing the unmistakable Lamborghini roar and unrivaled reliability. From revving to its limit, to simulating extreme driving conditions, Lamborghini ensures that its engines are not just powerful, but reliable. The design of a Lamborghini is as iconic as its performance. Drawing inspiration from aeronautics and natural forms, Lamborghini's design team crafts vehicles that look like they're moving, even when standing still. The body of a Lamborghini is more than just a shell, it's a statement. Made from carbon fiber and aluminum, every panel is engineered to maximize aerodynamic efficiency while maintaining the iconic Lamborghini look. Once the design is finalized, the production team takes over, crafting the exterior body panels from carbon fiber or aluminum. These panels are shaped, molded, and inspected to ensure aerodynamic efficiency and striking aesthetics. The painting process is another area where technology meets artistry. Customization is a core part of Lamborghini's appeal. Lamborghini offers a wide palette of customizable colors, applied in a multi-step process that ensures depth, shine, and durability. This stage alone can take several days to complete. Step inside a Lamborghini, and you're met with an interior that's equal parts luxury and technology. From hand-stitched leather seats to carbon fiber accents, every detail is designed to offer an unparalleled driving experience. The interior of a Lamborghini is a showcase of Italian craftsmanship. From the seats to the dashboard, every element is customizable, with options including Alcantara, carbon fiber, and the finest leathers. Skilled artisans meticulously hand-stitch every detail, ensuring not just luxury, but durability. Customization is king. No two Lamborghini interiors are ever exactly alike, reflecting the unique taste of each owner. Advanced technology seamlessly integrates into this luxury cocoon. Lamborghini's driver-focused cockpits combine intuitive interfaces with cutting-edge infotainment systems, offering both functionality and sophistication. Once the individual components are ready, it's time for final assembly. This is where the magic happens, where a collection of parts transforms into a fully functional supercar. The drivetrain, suspension, and engine are mounted onto the chassis with incredible precision. Every connection, every bolt, and every wire is carefully installed and double-checked. Even the doors, Lamborghini's signature scissor and butterfly doors, are aligned with laser precision to ensure they operate flawlessly. The wheels and tires, often sourced from Pirelli, are carefully aligned and mounted. Every bolt is torqued to exact specifications, ensuring the car performs flawlessly under extreme conditions. Every Lamborghini goes through a final inspection where experts scrutinize every detail, from panel gaps to paint finish. Only when the car meets Lamborghini's exacting standards is it ready to roar onto the road. But the journey isn't complete without testing. Before a Lamborghini is delivered to its owner, it must pass one final test: the track. Lamborghini engineers take each car to their private track, pushing it to its limits to ensure it delivers the performance and handling expected from the Raging Bull emblem. These tests are designed to fine-tune the car's suspension, aerodynamics, and power delivery. It's not just about speed. It's about creating a driving experience that's second to none. Once a Lamborghini has passed all tests, it's ready to meet its owner. Whether it's delivered to a showroom or shipped directly to the customer, every car represents the culmination of countless hours of dedication, passion, and expertise. From the Miura to the Countach, from the Diablo to the Aventador, Lamborghini has always been a brand that defies conventions. Their manufacturing process reflects their commitment to innovation and excellence. The end result? A machine that's more than just a car. It's a statement, a legacy, and a dream brought to life by the hands of skilled artisans and the minds of visionary engineers. So the next time you see a Lamborghini streak past, remember, behind that roar lies a story of passion, precision, and Italian excellence. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes insights into the world of luxury craftsmanship.